They said the crown would shine, a beacon for the broken and the brave. But all I found was 1,000 silent voices and choices that bleed in every direction. I watched stand to win, carry a throne too heavy for his hands. Watched him smile when all he wanted was peace. Got roasted taller than the mountains of Kunlai, but pride can crack us so faster than any blade. Taranju tried to hold the pieces together, his hand steady while the land itself tore apart. And Jenny laughed through the songs, because sometimes that's all you can do. We wear the crown like a curse, gold heavy as grief. The weight of the crown isn't glory, isn't gold. It's the faces you couldn't save, the promises you had to break, a burden stitched into every step. The crown cuts deeper than any sword. In Pandaria, even the earth remembers the shot rising from every broken dream. They called it wisdom to choose the lesser evil, but no choice feels pure when the fields burn. I stood before the temple of the white tiger, praying for answers that never came. There's no guide for the crown, only shadows and weight. The weight of the crown isn't pride, isn't power. It's the sleepless nights, the 1,000 lives carried in silence, a burden heavier than war. The crown cuts deeper than any sword. Maybe the crown was never made for heroes, only for those too stubborn to kneel.